Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. So today we're gonna presenting about annuity, where mostly of the members are me, the leader, Shamel. This is Nas, this is D, and this is Nat. So let's move on to it, into the introduction.
I will explain about introduction of mBank. So what is annuity of mBank? First, annuities are financial products that are usually offered by insurance companies. Annuities are financial products that are usually offered by insurance companies. Second, annuities can be variable with payouts based on the success of investment or fixed with guaranteed payments. They give financial stability and possible tax advantage can be set up to pay income for a predetermined amount of time or the annuity lifetime. Okay, next, the background of the company mBank. One of the top universal banking organization in Southeast Asia, mBank Group, formerly AMMB Group Holdings Berhad, is based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It was founded in 1975. It experienced substantial expansion. So, this is a company program distribution. What is company distribution? It involves diverse functions such as customer service, shipping, warehousing, inventory control, private trucking fleets operation, packaging, receiving, materials handling along with plants, warehouse, store location planning, and the integration of information. So, in order to satisfy its clients' varied financial demands, mBank Group provides a full range of programs. This consists of wealth management service including insurance and investment goods, as well as personal banking services like credit cards, personal loans, saving and current accounts, and credit cards. mBank offers a variety of commercial banking services to businesses such as trade finance, company loans, and cash management programs. The team is also very good at investment banking, providing capital markets, treasury, and consulting service. The Asian region individual and business clients' financial stability and growth are the goals of this program.
For the objective of the study, we have three objectives, and the first goal is to investigate how annuities are used in the real world. First, which is mostly in retirement planning, people use annuity to guarantee their income source where it has their own advantages that people can use. For example, let's say someone wants to do saving, he can save it now so that the money can grow in the bank account. So people can retire comfortably, or maybe emergency saving where it can help with insurance in the future. So for the second goal, the research is to demonstrate the mathematical procedure needed to calculate annuity payment, which is based on the formula that people can demonstrate basic idea in real work. So lastly, the third goal is the research will also determine the depreciation schedule for the program, which is involves describing in full each payment period, showing the growth of the principal and interest components, and giving a clear picture of the related financial obligation with the annuity.
Methodology the question is a fresh graduate. Let's say Aiman bought a compact sedan car, which is a Honda City RS, for amount that 100,000, 10,011, and 160 for 10% of payment. He took a loan to settle the payment that charged him on an interest of 3.05, compounded monthly, and he was required to pay equally monthly payment for 5 years to settle the loan. Before he can begin paying this loan, Daniel need to calculate the monthly payment and the total interest charged. After Daniel unfortunately failed to pay the first 3 months and had an outstanding arrears, suddenly after 3 years of paying, Daniel decided to settle the loan through and by paying the outstanding amount.
That we collect from the equation here. So we can see that the sum of the money is 100,000 111,560. So the R is we cannot see here what is the R, so that's why we choose X. And the time is 5 years, and K is the interest 3.05%. So we exchange it by 3.05 per 100. We exchange it to become 0.0305. So for the month, we can see that is a compound monthly is 12. I is the K over T. So where we get the K is 0.0305, and then we divide with 12. The M is 12. So we let it be like this. We don't need to calculate everything, so that it easier in the formula. So N is equal to M times T, where 12 times with 5 is 60. So DP is the down payment, where the capital is 111,560 times with 10%, so that we get 1,156. So this is the down payment. So where are we doing CP minus this is CP minus with DP, so that we can get the A. So with 100,000 11560 minus 11156, we get 100,404 ringgit. So let's move forward to the calculation. So this is the main three formula that we use. Is the sum formula, the annuity formula for now, and I is for the interest. Okay, so let's go for the first one, down payment. So we can see that if we want to get the A, we need to calculate CP minus DP first. So with 111,560 minus with 111,556, we get 100K 404 ringgit. Okay, so after we get 404, so with the X R. So because of in this data collector we use X, so that's why we change it R with X. So with X, we just change R with X. So we conclude all the information that we get in formula that A equal to R, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I, power of negative n, closing the bracket over I. So after we calculate all the calculation, we get that X is equal to 297.18. S meaning is R. So after we get 297.18, so we can calculate the total interest that charged in the question, where we using this formula I equal to R times N minus A. So we just take this R, the new R that we get, into the formula 297.18 times 60 minus 255.1935 by taking this this A, and then we can see that we get the interest 17575.61. So the third one is the outstanding payment that the problem in the question, where the first 3 monthly payment, and so we using this formula Sn equal to R bracket I plus I 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. So because of this 3 monthly payments, so we need to use the next month, so 4. So just include all the information, and then we get 1193.26 ringgit. So lastly, we need to settle the loan because of the question say that. So we using this formula with the same one, but this is the old one. This is using the new the new information. So we need to find the new n, where 3 minus 5 times 12, 3 minus 5 should be negative 2, and then times 12 should be negative 24. But it's because of the monthly, so we don't need the negative, so we use 24. So we conclude with the new information into this formula, and then we can get that the A is 6910.63. So okay, we can go next. So this is the amortization schedule.
So in the question mentioned, after 3 years of payment, Daniel decided to full settlement. So how do we know what to pay? We will use the amortization schedule. So on the year 3, which is right about here, we can see the total amount. The total amount is amounting to almost 30, 20 something. The 20,000 depending on the payment. Let's say Daniel did miss few payment, he will also need to include it in the settlement procedure. So this amortization schedule is being provided by the bank for you to track where is your payment schedule and what does the actual amount you being paid for. So that's all.